What you're seeing here, this is a street. This right here. You can kind of see it framed by the light post. There's a green one there, a silver one there. You can kind of see that this was supposed to be a street. It usually is a street. It's not a street right now, though. It's kind of windy. Things are getting windy out here, but it's nothing, you know, there's a dog. Look how deep it is where it's going. Boom. It's a little bit of devastation, I suppose.